Good afternoon, outdoor artists. It's April 4th here in upstate New York, and it's time to continue work on the shed in the woods next to the quarry road. And you'll see here that the base has survived the winter fairly well. I battened it down with the tarp and a bunch of weights, and it seems to have held up okay. We get some pretty good winds here. The plan then is to start doing the walls first, then the roof, and then of course we'll be putting up a board and batten for the side walls. I'm going to build these long walls, the longer walls, which are in this direction. I'm going to build those in two sections each, simply because I'm working by myself, and so if I do my math correctly, let's see, I've got 4, 8, 12, 16, so I'm going to do 8-foot sections for these, this side and that side, so that when I stand those up and horse them around, I can do that okay by myself without having to rely on helpers, since I'll be doing this independently of anybody else most days. These end walls are not so long, so they'll ultimately be about 8 feet as well. The front, which I'm calling the side toward the road here, will be 8 foot tall, and the back, which is toward the woods side, will be 6.5 feet tall, and that'll provide adequate pitch to get the snow off sufficiently and not collect on the woods and cause a problem. So today, the purpose of today then is to just get started and to see how long it takes to do the prep, some construction, and then button it up I should say, for the night, because each day that I work on, I'm going to have to do that, since we rarely get 2 or 3 days of sun in these parts. So I'll tune in later on and show you what I've gotten done for the day. My goal is to get at least one of the back walls built, so it'd be an 8-foot section of the back wall. I think that's a pretty good goal for today. I'm hoping it'll only take me a few hours, but that's part of the reason to do it, is to get the experience and see what it's going to take. So I'll tune in later and show you what I've gotten done. Outdoor artist here, and it's about an hour later, and you can see that I've gotten one section of the wall done. This is the back wall. No real problems putting it together. I did want to point out that I'm using hammer and nails versus a nail gun for this. At least I'm going to try doing that. A little bit more work, but I can't really justify a framing nailer for the amount of this sort of work that I do. So I'm using these 16D 3¼ inch coated nails that were recommended by my local Do-It Center, and they seem to be working fine. So I'll get back to you once I've gotten some more walls up. Looks like we're in for some rainy weather here the next few days, so it'll probably be at least a week or so. But for now, this is the Outdoor Artist, and I'm signing off.